Okay, we're doing another street video, and over here is one of our petrol stations, and Avis, and then we have the big CITC shop on the other side, and Vodafone as well. And this is the bus stop, the main bus stop on the island. So if you go do your shopping and all that stuff, then you can come here and catch the bus that goes around every hour, I think. I've never actually caught the bus yet. I've lived here most of my life and I haven't caught one of these buses yet. Let's see. $10.30. And this is one of our shops. You can buy souvenirs and sweet stuff like here, Kiorana. Yeah, and then it's a clothing shop. The exercise people at the back there. And then you've got the cafe where they have the best pies that we have. $5, you get a yummy pie. I love these pies. $5 a pie. So this is cool. Cook's Corner. And over there is where we do all our printing at SIPs. One of two on the island. And then you got Trust Company over there, that 3-story building. You got ATM here. It's got products from Indonesia, Philippines in here. Got all your electronic stuff in there. And all the food from the Asian kind of food in here. If you're into that, it's all in there. And then this is the Chamber of Commerce. Then there's the Trust Company over there. Chamber of Commerce. So we're walking down my street where I work, and this road is called Parekura Road. Printing office. Cook Islands Printing used to be there. And over here, a block of offices that belong to lawyers and accounting firms. And down the road there is Vodafone. Vodafone's main office is there. And this is where I work, on the corner, going down to the bowling club. Hi, Ben. And there's Mariko over there. Warehouse. Okay. Yeah, this is our building. CRTV. Signing out. Signing in, actually. Bye.